Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to view people profile privately on the Truecaller app. So all you have to do is just simply go ahead and click your account on the upper left hand side, scroll down to the settings there, guys. Then you want to go to the privacy center. Here in the list you'll find an option that says view profile privately. Do not inform others when I view their profile. All you have to do, guys, is enable this feature. Keep in mind that if you want to enable it, you will need to at least upgrade to the maximum protection to have this feature available to you. And as you can see there, the price is a little over $2 per month to have this. So 50 in my currency is 59 Czech korun, so you can basically convert that. It's a little over that as well. So I'm going to go ahead and just quickly show you how much that would cost in your money. So if you're using the USD, I'm going to just quickly switch this to USD so that you can see. So in my case it was 59 Czech korun, so that's basically that. And as you can see, almost $3, 2.8. So that's pretty much it, guys, and that's how you'd easily go ahead and activate this by paying almost $3 per month to have the maximum protection on your phone. And that's all there is to it, guys.